Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, a 5-round competition where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida to see who can be victorious. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. And this is a unique one. I like these Achilles cats, but this is the first time I think I've ever seen the center console version of this. It's a cool looking boat. It looks like it rides a little bow heavy, but you know what? It doesn't do bad. But let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with Haulover. Here comes our first round contestant now. It appears our first round contestant will be a Robalo R302 with twin 300s on the back, and my man's heading out to square up against Haulover, and Haulover's being a little nasty today, and my crew's actually taking it a little bit slow out of the gate. I probably would have the throttle down just a little bit heavier than this, getting the boat up on plane and letting the boat do the work to try and slice through the waves, but here they're coming pretty slow, and when we see this a lot of times, you're prone to stuffing the bow, and they do it. We kind of saw it coming. With the slow start, you knew it was heading that direction, and this crew delivered. Here, you can see they just absolutely get the free Haulover decrance, and they're going to go ahead and try and continue their way on out of Haulover, but we only got a few rules in this competition. Stuffing the bow is one of them. If you do it, unfortunately for this crew, it's an automatic loss for the boats, and that's going to give Haulover an early 1-0 lead here at the end of the first round. Let's see if our second round contestant has any better luck. And it appears this crew's off to a slow start as well. And no! Right out of the gate, they don't have the boat up on plane, and they stuff the bow 3 times in a row right before we can even get this started. He does finally put into the throttle a little bit here, and they're going to get the boat up on plane and continue to work their way out of Haulover, but man, the damage is done, and damage is done early, and Haulover takes a win in this round as well, just due to somebody not being on plane and stuffing the bow, and Haulover's up 2-0 early. The boats are in trouble. They're really going to have to pull something out in this third round. And it appears we've got a fishing vessel of some sort coming out to do battle with Haulover here in the third round. I'm not 100% sure which vessel this is. If you know the name of this vessel or what it is, light it up in the comments below and let me know. But here are crews making their way out of Haulover, and they're going to need to put this boat to work because we can't lose here. If the boats lose, they're going home early. My man's got this boat just barely up on plane, which is just about the right pace probably for this size of boat. Just enough that bow's staying high and he's able to pick his way through the waves and let the bow of the boat slice through the waves a little bit to help him out and hopefully not stuff it. And here they look pretty good. They're pretty much on their way out of the inlet, and it looks like this crew's gonna make it, and we're gonna see our first win by a boat here in this episode. But that still doesn't help a whole lot because here in the third round, that just makes Haulover up 2-1. Fourth round, the boat's gotta keep the pace rolling. And our fourth round is going to feature a vessel from Tierra Yachts coming out to square up and do battle with Haulover. And here they look pretty decent. They've got the bow high and trying to push their way in. They've got a pretty heavy following sea here, so they're definitely going to have to pick their way carefully to make sure they don't wind up stuffing the bow. You can see they're porpoising a little bit here, but overall this is a big heavy boat. It looks pretty good, and it's going to successfully navigate its way into Haulover, and that's going to bring us back to a 2-2 tie as we head into the fifth and final round. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And oh man, we've got a small boat coming through. This is definitely not the closer the boats wanted to see coming in, but my man's playing it smart. He is hugging the inside of the jetty, which is the calmer part of Haulover, which is a smart play, and that may be enough for them to get the close and take the save and the win for the boats in this episode, and it looks like it's going to happen. The boats are going to take a win in this round, and that's going to give them a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Miami Boat Ramps, which focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.